dun sa last na kasi sir ni President, ang biggest bomb sir na drinap niya sir, tungkol dun sir sa 1 billion coffee spent by the previous Palcor administration. So, may we know lang sir kung ano na sir yung update sir doon?
Okay. Basically, ang sinabi ng Presidente na ganun kalaki ang ginastos nila with regards to coffee. Diba?
Yes sir.
Now, so we have to, basically that's the figures na napakalaki, diba? Basically yun ang idea doon, ang laki ang ginastos. No? That's the way how they spend the money. So, okay, anong ginawa namin on our part? No? Kasi we feel that there was an overpricing dito. So, para makuha namin yung overpricing, we have to look at all receipts. Kumbaga, kada order yan, meron order na brewed coffee, may order na frap, may order ng iba-iba.
Iba-iba pong classic coffee.
So, para makasuhan niya ng plunder, hindi more than 50 million yun, no? Isa mong titingnan lahat ng resibo na to. So, napaka-tedious ng trabaho na to, hindi ganun kadali na ito voucher, ito yung ebidensya mo. Hindi You have to look at all receipts. Napipicture mo yun, gano'ng karami yan.
Opo. So,
pero hindi kami abot ng 1 billion kasi hindi namin mapafile yan kung habulin namin yung 1 billion. So, diba? So, pumupunta lang kami doon sa threshold ng mga, to be safe, mga, I think about 60, 70 M. Doon sa magkano yung kinita nila. Okay. So, basically, yun yung kwento sa coffee. So, it really would take time for it to be filed. Diba?
So from the start, sir, that the President said that, sir, revealed that, sir, initial reports pa lang po yung hawak.
It's not an initial report. It's an expense recorded in the book.
Pero at this point, sir, after the investigation, you can say, sir, na hindi naman premature yung revelation. Talagang there is a solid evidence na talagang may regularity.
There is a solid evidence that they spent 1 billion pesos for coffee. So as to, after nung ginawa niyo pong data collection, hindi rin ba masasabi, sir, kasi we're talking of a span of 10 years, na yung expenses na yun were, was justified? Okay, let me put it this way, kasi baka i-file pa lang natin itong kasong ito, mahirap na itong ano masasabi ko. No? Let's put it this way. If it's 100 million that they're spending, siguro ang estimate ko sa amin would be a maximum amount of 40 to 50 million a month, a year.
So kanila, sir, 100
million. Ito, kumbaga, inano lang natin, dinivide natin over 10 years, no? Kaya 1 billion, pero hindi naman gano'n yan. Yung, ito, nag-umpisa ng maliit to, actually, latter part na sila, hindi naman sila from the very start nila ginawa yan, eh. I think on the latter part lang nila nagawa, maybe, so it's more than 100 million average nila a year.
Sir, so definitely, sir, you will be filing without disclosing the date, without preempting the filing. Definitely, may mga magiging accountable for this, sir.
Iyon ang sinasabi ng abogado ko, Myla.
Anytime soon, sir, ba, sir? Yung yung...
Oo. Alam mo kasi, ang dami ng pangako sa akin ng mga abogado ko, pero naintindihan ko rin na napakahirap nung yung iba yung recorded expense, iba yung when you go into these details, eh. Di ba? I hope you get the picture kung paano nila binubusisi itong mga to. Hindi ito parang may newspaper clipping ka at magdidemanda ka.
Opo.
Di ba? Talagang sinisigurado na tama lahat ng ebidensya.
At yun po bang, di ba yung 1 billion, kalat naman siya, sir, di ba? Spread out dun sa iba't ibang casino. So, yun yung mga receipt na hinahabol nyo doon. Pinupuntahan nyo yun, kung saan yung may mga expenses na gano'n.
Oo.
Sir, pero right after the expose, sir, immediate yung naging action to start yung data gathering.
Hindi lang ako sure kung kung kailan kami nag-start. But what I could assure you is talagang we look into it. Kasi hindi naman ganun kabilis yan. Pinano pa yung strategy on how to file a case, saan kami papunta, etc., getting affidavits, etc. Magsabi ka ng GOCC na nakapag-file na ng 4 na cases during the previous administration. Kami lang yun. Magsabi ka ng GOCC na yung percentage of increase in revenue ganun kataas. Kami lang yun. Magsabi ka kung sinong pinakamaraming iskandalo sa dyaryo. Ako lang yun. Oo.
Sir, you mentioned, sir, na from around 100 million a year, ngayon down to 40 to 50 million na. So, lumalabas, sir, may statement kayo, sir, in-issue na it's over 9 pesos na lang per coffee per cup yung coffee. So,
parang less yata, less. Hindi ako sure sa detalye niya, pero less. But, kasi, ang nangyari ganito, no? Mayla, yung coffee kasi dati, parang may isang tindahan na nagtayo na ng tindahan sa casino. Okay. Ito nga yung tindahan na to, namimigay ng kape sa mga players. O yung mga players umu-order ng kape doon sa tindahan. Okay? Ngayon, titirmahan ngayon ng mga mga operations guy na, okay, charge to casino kasi player, ganon. Di ba? Ito naman style namin ngayon. Naghanap kami ng mga first class beans. Kami na nag-brew at nilalagay na namin sa magandang packaging.
So kayo na kayo na mismo, sir, hindi na
kami na mismo namimigay. Wala na yung tindahan na namimigay ng kape o nagbebenta ng kape sa mga players.
So wala nang third party, kumbaga, diretso?
Wala na. Diretso kami nang bumibili ng kape.
So without giving a further details, so without disclosing may idea lang po, hint lang po, dun sa isa-file yung case, may involved po ba ng mga incumbent PAGCOR officials or are they all past officials of PAGCOR?
Past officials of PAGCOR, I think. I don't know. Hindi ko pa nakita yung I'm sorry. Hindi ko pa nakita lahat ng detalye. Nung case, I'm not sure.
Pero pwede na ba, sir, sabihin na plunder ito?
Oo. Parang gano'n ang dinig ko, plunder. Yan, I'm definitely that. Itong practice, hindi ko sinasabi tama yung practice, Mayla. Itong practice na to has been going on. Itong pagbili ng tubig. Ngayon, for the past years, walang COA findings yan. So, which means, ito, Mayla, this is decentralized, which means, ang mga branches ang gumagawa nito. Hindi I could not monitor that. No. Ngayon, for several years, ito na naging practice nila. I'm not saying it's a good practice, but this is a practice. No? But this has been a practice, I think, prior the procurement law. The procurement law, I think, was sometime 2008 lang yata yan. So, anyway, walang COA findings dyan. Ngayon, meron ng COA finding dyan. So, sabi ng COA, dapat i-bid. Because ang ginawa ng COA, tinotal niya yung buong year consumption at sinabi niya, dapat i-bid to. Okay? So, during during the meeting with COA, sabi ko, dapat i-bid nga yan. So, we have to correct that I think, yung practice na yun. Pero, isipin mo, Myla, pag pinabid natin yan, we will bid it out, no? Pero hindi ko pa iniisip itong problema, itong ganito. When we bid it out, 1 year supply of tubig in water, alam ba kung gaano kadami yung bottled water na yan, kung saan namin ilalagay, at mag-expire lang tayo ng tubig. Di ba may time kwan yan? Hindi naman pwedeng isang buwan yan bottled water na sa'yo eh.
Sir, pero I hope you don't mind. Hindi rin ako familiar, sir. Pero, di ba pag, I'm not sure kung possible yun. Pwede ba, sir, yung halimbawa may binid nyo, tapos may kausap na kayong magsusupply, na kukunin nyo lang yun as the need arises for that, So, hindi kailangan ma-stop?
Actually, yun rin ang iniisip ko. Pero ang problema kasi dyan, when you bid it out for 1 year, Myla, when you bid it out for 1 year,
kailangan ma-consume.
Yung presyo nila hindi na makakagalaw. Diba? Paano kung tumaas yung plastic bottles? Paano kung tumaas yung cost? Tumaas yung kuryente? Tumaas? Na-inform din ako ng COA. There was no issue about overpricing kasi nakita nila yung presyo. No? They tried to canvass it. At mababa naman yung presyo, mababa naman presyo nung binili.
So, do you have an idea, sir, how much each bottle?
Wala. Saka, I think it's mga 4 pesos something ang isang bottle eh. Magkano yan sa 7-Eleven?
I think sa mga 10 or gano'n.
10.
Okay. Sir, kasi yung word kasi na through shopping, saan ba kinuha, sir? Saan yung supply? Hindi medyo mabig lang, sir, yung the purchase was made through shopping.
Shopping means, kasi, kwan yan eh, below 500,000, I think, below 500,000, you have to do bidding.
Apa.
Okay. So, below 500,000, you have to do shopping, which means you have to canvass different prices.
Okay.
May di rin ako ganun kakwan with regards to that detail of the procurement law, no? So, but basically, lahat kami lang ang gumawa from that, nung nag-assume kami lang ang sumunod sa procurement law. Pero itong tubig na to kasi, let's say, wala na tayong stock ng tubig, bibili tayo ng tubig, hindi naman rin kami pwedeng bumili ng malakihan na tubig eh. Kasi unang-una, kailangan namin ng warehouse. Saka pangalawa, as I've said, this is decentralized. The branch could do the purchases of these things. So, hindi na umaabot sa akin yan. Kaya nga, sabi ko sa COA, kayo COA will be my partner. You'll be the one to protect my back. Because I could not see everything. I could not,
Malinaw, sir, yun, no? Walang overprice dito? Baka...
Wala. Sabi ng COA sa akin, Hindi, again, yung mga statements na nilabas namin sa press were basically based on the statement of COA. Nung nagtanong ang Palacio sa akin, I just sent them the COA report.
At hindi naman, sir, kayo pinag-explain, sir, ni President?
Hindi kasi, si Secretary Lacerda, alam niya na kung ano itatanong sa kanya eh. I mean, kasi pag nakita niya sa dyaryo, sa itatanong sigurado sa kanya eh. Kahit anong agency, siguradong itatanong sa kanya. So, pinadalan ko siya ng COA report. It's not my explanation, it's COA's explanation. Bakit kayo galit na galit sa akin?
Hindi naman, sir, ako.
Pero hindi, ko lang yun. Pero ako lang tao sa gobyerno eh.
Sir?
Hindi, ko lang yun, I mean. Hindi ko sabihin. Pero ganun talaga buhay eh. Nandito ako, kaya